Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Freia Sjokoklem Norwegian chocolate. Made in 1889. Ooh, this is old chocolate. On the back we see that this company is actually Mondelez International. So big international company. Mondelez Norge. Here we have the nutrients. Fiber 2.8, protein 6.8, so this is not completely unhealthy. It has some protein. Thank you, protein, thank you. Milk chocolate is 60%, sugar, cocoa, butter, cocoa mass, and skimmed milk powder. So they didn't use the whole milk, they used milk powder. That's minus point for that. But let's see how to taste it first. So may contain eggs and nuts. Okay. Nice packaging. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, it comes in a plastic tray and 6 individual pieces of chocolate coins individually wrapped in foil. Nice. So they stay very fresh in this foil thing. I like that. Let's try to open one up and see how it looks inside. Oh, look. So it's like chocolate waffle thing, coin with spiral. Nice. I can't wait to taste this. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Freia Sjokoklem tastes any good. Oh, look. Smell chocolate. Let's take a bite, shall we? Crunchy and soft. Look. It's softer than I expected. The wafer really gives it a nice texture. The crunch. Can you hear the crunch? Can you hear it? I feel like the wafer is overwhelming the chocolate. There is not so much chocolate here after all, look. It's only a thin layer of chocolate, then it's wafer. So, this is great. One point down. I feel like the chocolate flavor itself could have been better if they used whole milk instead of skimmed milk powder. Skimmed milk, not good. Maybe it would have been better if it's more crunchy, like more hard wafer. But it feels really soft when you bite it. At least it's not making mess, because when you bite it, it's not crumbling. This wrapping is convenient because you can hold the biscuit with this, so your hands won't get messy. Because this chocolate melts super easily because it's so thin. It's so thin. Yeah, Freia, Mondelez Corporation. I feel like they use this same exact chocolate in this other product they sell in Finland. It's called Marabou biscuits or something. It's exactly like this, 6 pieces wrapped together, and the same company Mondelez. But in Norwegian market they just market it as Freia. So I think this is a little bit a scam. Yeah, the chocolate is good. Wafer, good. It's just a basic snack chocolate, but nothing special. I don't know about the price because this is from Norway, but I expect this is average priced. If it's average price, then I give this product like a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's good snack, but it's nothing like high quality chocolate, not like that. It's just basic, but they deliver on what they promise. They promise to have chocolate biscuit with wafer, and they did it in a nice, flavorful way. Thank you, Freia. Thank you, Norwegian people, and thank you, Mondelez International Corporation. Definitely try it if you go to Norway. It's made since 1889, so big tradition. Well, I don't know what happened to tradition after Mondelez took over, but seems like they're still doing it. Good product. I like it. 8.5 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have tasted this or not. Thank you. Oh, Freia Sjokoklem.